We all know that crypto NFTs have billions of dollars being traded daily, and more publicly traded companies are getting involved with crypto and NFTs regularly. More specifically, gaming companies. Companies like Ubisoft, Atari, Square Enix have either launched or announced plans to sell NFTs. And now, the crowd favorite and short killer, GameStop, has decided to join the party. So everybody, GameStop is officially launching a division to develop a marketplace for NFTs and establish cryptocurrency partnerships. They've hired a team of more than 20 people, and their NFTs are going to be centered around avatar outfits and weapons. Now get this, Ryan Cohen, a co-founder of Chewy Inc., who sold that company for $3.35 billion, was brought aboard as the chairman of GameStop last year and has been continuing to push GameStop toward being more tech-centric. This team up for sure seems to be paying dividends because GameStop is close to signing partnerships with two major crypto companies, which will end in them sharing technology and co-investing in the development of games that use blockchain and NFT technology. Can't lie to you, this seems to be an uphill battle because the gaming community at large tend to reject cryptocurrency and NFTs. Even Steam has decided to ban all games related to crypto and NFTs. The main point of frustration with the gaming community seems to be that NFT gaming will strip away the relaxation and fun that gaming brings. Now, while there are a lot of cash grab games, there are some games whose focus is play and earn, so that they can build a community that falls in love with the game and isn't just there to make a quick buck. Overall, there is mixed sentiment about whether GameStop's new endeavor will be successful or not. In the past week, the stock price has begun to surge again, but it's still far off from all-time highs. Now, me personally, I absolutely love it. The sooner the gaming community gets on board with crypto and NFTs, we won't see situations like World of Warcraft or Final Fantasy. I mean, Vitalik himself decided to create Ethereum just because his World of Warcraft character got nerfed. The man cried himself to sleep. Have you no compassion, no empathy? But overall, the concept of being able to own the items that you work hard for is just too good to pass up. And I really hope that the NFT adoption in gaming is accelerated.
So yeah, everybody, with this news of GameStop getting into the NFT and crypto space, I am for sure bullish. Now, I will say this, of course, there's going to be a lot of different things that they need to cover and a lot of things that they'll need to accomplish before I really get behind everything that they're doing. But I mean, this is a very large step in the right direction, especially they're starting off 2022 with a bang. I mean, how could you not love it? Because we know crypto markets going crazy, NFT markets gaining more and more momentum by the day. And with all that said, let's get into some TA so I can show you guys my conservative and optimistic estimate for where GameStop could be headed this year. Let's get it. All right, everybody. So as you can see, I have my daily chart pulled up for GameStop. I'm not looking to do any type of minute to minute, day by day trading. I'm pretty much looking to get a macro view, which is why I have that daily chart pulled up. So getting into it, like I said, we're going to hit the conservative estimate first. I really love doing conservative estimates. And honestly, when I trade and invest, I'm always looking at the most conservative option. If it's optimistic and, the price goes crazy, hey, that's better for me, more money in my pocket and more money in you guys' pockets if you're watching. But if not, hey, we still got the conservative estimate. So getting into it, right? We see that we have our RSI down here. It's pretty much telling us that GameStop is very, very oversold. Not only is it oversold, we're actually starting to gain some momentum to the upside. Bulls are stepping in, more news like we just had is starting to drop. So for me, as we break through different resistance levels to the upside, I'm seeing that GameStop could possibly get all the way up to here, $211.31, possibly by the end of March, maybe early April, if that. So again, if we start to see a little bit more momentum coming into GameStop and we start to see more money flowing into it, I could easily see us getting here by the end of March, maybe early April. So give it some time, guys. This is not something that's going to happen overnight. Of course, as you can kind of see over here, I have my different moving averages, I have my different support and resistance levels. These are all going to hinder the price from just going straight up in one fell swoop like we saw with the short squeeze, but over a bit of time, we could definitely see it going up to these levels. Now, in an optimistic manner, I could see GameStop getting all the way up here where I have this, where it peaked out at $255.52. Now, the reason why I say this is possibly going to be the optimistic area is because GameStop, the last area that it was before we saw this major decline down to $136.50, cents was $255 or even down to $250 depending on where you're looking at it. So seeing GameStop kind of retest these local highs, seeing GameStop get back to these highs where it once was, you know, over the course of these couple of months coming up all the way into the end of March and early April, that's definitely very possible. And probably if GameStop drops any crazy news about, you know, having a spectacular NFT, having some very large NFT projects starting to back them and get onto their marketplace, or having very large crypto companies putting billions and billions of dollars in revenue into their company, I can see it really boosting up to 255. Now, I will give this disclaimer, guys. Do not expect any type of short squeeze with GameStop happening. I know everybody's expecting this to happen again. I know that we saw it happen once, but guys, we can only expect the short squeeze to happen so many times. We're not really looking to see any type of short squeeze with GameStop. We already had so much momentum and volatility going on in the markets. And on top of this, if you guys have been doing any type of trading, any type of investing these past 3-4 months, then you already know that the markets are due for a pending correction. I don't mean a crash, doom and gloom. Oh man, blood is in the streets. I need to sell my home. Oh, I lost all my money in the stock market. But a lot of these stocks that we saw just pop off all the way throughout 2021, they're very, very overvalued. So we do need to see them starting to pull back. In GameStop, it seems that it has pulled back a fair amount to the point where a lot of buyers are starting to see more fair value interest, and they're saying, yep, this is the time for me to start picking up more shares and getting in for the long run. So that's pretty much it for me. Now, if you guys are interested in making some more money off of these meme stocks, for sure, check out our meme ETF video right here. Yep, you can go ahead and click it right there. Plenty of money to be made with these meme stocks, so make sure you're safe, secure, and covered when it comes to getting invested. All right, guys, I'll see y'all later.